When countries invest in promoting gender equality and female empowerment,
they have fewer maternal and infant deaths,
lower rates of HIV and AIDS,
better child nutrition,
and more inclusive economic development.
What is gender equality and why is it important?
Gender equality is the process of being fair to women and girls and men and boys. Gender equality means that both women and men across all sectors of society have equal access to resources and opportunities, to education, healthcare, good jobs, and representation in political and economic decision-making processes.
USAID's Gender Equality and Female Empowerment Policy requires that we integrate activities that reduce disparities between men and women, prevent and respond to gender-based violence, and empower women and girls into our strategies, project design, and our monitoring and reporting.
So, what is USAID Central Asia doing to promote gender equality and female empowerment?
In Kazakhstan and Tajikistan, women journalists get the leadership training they need to be successful in their male-dominated field.
In Tajikistan, more than 250 people have learned how to prevent gender-based violence and provide care to survivors.
And more than 900 women and 160 men who have suffered from gender-based violence are able to attend support groups.
In Uzbekistan, male and female survivors of trafficking receive psychological and medical support, help with legal issues, as well as vocational training that will help them find employment and avoid the risk of re-trafficking.
In Turkmenistan, local public associations for women with disabilities help them to understand their legal rights.
And in Tajikistan, more than 330 women are starting their own baking, sewing, and agriculture businesses that support their families and contribute to their communities.
No society can develop successfully without providing equitable opportunities, resources, and life prospects for both males and females so that they can shape their own lives and contribute to their families, communities, and their country's development.
That is why USAID Central Asia is committed to ensuring that all of our projects integrate activities that promote gender equality as fundamental to human rights and sustainable development outcomes.
Gender is vital to achieving U.S. foreign policy and development objectives.
For more information on gender at USAID, please refer to the agency's Gender Equality and Female Empowerment Policy and/or contact the Mission Gender Advisor.